Welcome back to Reviewsinsidetv. Today, we're taking a close look at the Belife M8 mattress vacuum cleaner, a versatile handheld cleaner that promises to tackle your most challenging cleaning tasks. From mattresses to couches and pet beds, this little powerhouse is packed with a mix of features designed to make cleaning more thorough and even a bit more pleasant. Let's dive into the details and see if it's really as good as it sounds. This vacuum cleaner isn't just any ordinary handheld model. It's a 3-in-1 deep cleaning machine that combines UV light, hot air, and a high-speed rotating brush to clean a variety of surfaces. Whether it's fine dust, pet hair, or debris, the Belife M8 has got you covered. The UV light operates at a wavelength of 253.7 millimeters and targets deep down dirt, dust, and allergens, while the 140 degrees fire hot air feature adds an extra layer of sanitization. Combined with a powerful 550-watt motor and 18 kPa of suction power, this vacuum can tackle even the most stubborn debris in your mattress, couch, pillows, and more. It also has an upgraded multi-stage HEPA filtration system to trap dust and allergens, making it a solid choice for anyone dealing with allergies. For those of you with pets or small children, this vacuum cleaner is designed to meet your needs. The 5-meter cord offers plenty of reach, meaning you won't have to worry about constantly plugging and unplugging. The dual dust cup system, holding 0.5 liters of debris, helps you clean larger areas without frequent emptying. Both the dust cup and roller brush feature a snap lock design, making disassembly and cleaning a breeze. And if you're looking to add a little fresh scent to your cleaning routine, the Belife M8 also includes dual fragrance slots, one for essential oils and the other for aroma tablets, which come included. In terms of real-world usability, setting up and using the Belife M8 was straightforward. It's lightweight enough to handle with ease, and despite the powerful suction, it doesn't feel like a burden to maneuver. The suction is impressive, pulling in everything from pet hair to fine dust with minimal effort. The rotating brush does a great job of lifting debris out of fabric, making it highly effective on soft surfaces like mattresses and upholstery. While the UV light is a nice touch for sanitizing, it only activates when the vacuum touches the mattress or surface directly. Lifting it stops the UV feature instantly. This is important to note for anyone hoping to use the UV function while cleaning non-horizontal surfaces. When it comes to pet hair, the Belife M8 really shines. The high-powered suction, combined with the rotating brush, pulls pet hair from deep within fabric, whether it's on a couch, bed, or car seat. It's equally efficient on regular dust, so whether you're cleaning your mattress or a child's crib, you'll see a noticeable difference. The hot air feature is especially useful for helping to dislodge stubborn dirt and for giving the fabrics a refreshing clean. It's also worth mentioning that the HEPA filter is a standout in maintaining suction and helping to trap particles that could irritate allergies. There are a few things to keep in mind, though. While the vacuum is effective on pet hair and dust, it might struggle a bit with larger debris or anything too heavy. Its deep cleaning capabilities are best suited for soft surfaces like mattresses, couches, and pillows. If you try to tackle something like a large, heavily soiled carpet, you might find yourself wishing for a bit more power. The 16-foot cord is long enough for most cleaning tasks, but it does limit mobility if you're cleaning large areas or trying to reach further spaces without unplugging. As for the noise level, it's relatively quiet for a vacuum with this much suction power, which makes it a great option for households with babies or light sleepers. The design is user-friendly, with easy disassembly for cleaning, but it's also worth noting that it's a bit bulkier than other handheld vacuums, especially for those who prefer something lighter. The fragrance slots are a unique addition that may or may not appeal to everyone, but they certainly add a personal touch to your cleaning routine. In terms of value for money, the Belife M8 strikes a solid balance. It's not the cheapest option on the market, but it's packed with features that make it worthwhile, especially if you're looking for a versatile cleaner that can handle a variety of surfaces. The UV light, hot air, and HEPA filtration all add to its appeal, particularly for those dealing with pet hair or allergies. That said, if you're primarily looking for a vacuum for carpets or large areas, you might want to explore other models with more power and a larger dustbin. When compared to other vacuums in this range, the Belife M8 offers a lot of specialized features that make it stand out, especially for homes with pets or babies. The rotating brush, UV sanitation, and fragrance features are hard to find in this price bracket, giving it an edge over more basic models. If you're cross-shopping, you might look at models like the Black & Decker Dustbuster, which is similarly compact but lacks the deep cleaning tech, or the Dyson V7 Trigger, which offers stronger suction for general use but doesn't have the same range of specialized cleaning options. In terms of build quality, the Belife M8 feels solid. It's not overly bulky, but it doesn't feel flimsy either. The materials used in construction are durable, and the snap-lock design of the dust cup and roller brush adds to the vacuum's overall longevity. Maintaining the Belife M8 is relatively easy. Cleaning the brush roll and HEPA filter is straightforward, and emptying the dust cup is simple enough. It's a vacuum that's designed for real-world usability, with an emphasis on easy maintenance and long-term reliability. Overall, the Belife M8 mattress vacuum cleaner is a strong contender in the handheld vacuum category. It's ideal for households with pets, babies, or allergy sufferers, thanks to its powerful suction, UV sanitation, and HEPA filtration. The dual fragrance feature is a nice touch, though it may not be for everyone. The vacuum excels in its niche, but if you're after something for heavy-duty carpet cleaning, it may not be your best bet. The price is fair for the specialized features it offers, but if you need a vacuum for general, everyday use, you might want to consider other options with more versatility. Thanks for watching today's review. If you've already tried the Belife M8 or have any questions about it, feel free to drop a comment below. The link to get the product can be found in the comments box. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a review. Goodbye till next time. Keep your spaces clean and your air fresh.